Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring and heating water. This dissolves sugar and sanitizes. Pour 4 cups of clean water into a pot, then bring it to a gentle boil so impurities are reduced. While the water heats, measure 1 cup of plain white granulated sugar. Do not use honey, brown sugar, or artificial sweeteners because they harm hummingbirds. Once the water reaches a light boil, remove it from heat. Make sure the sugar will dissolve quickly in the hot water that follows. Now you dissolve the sugar into the hot water to create nectar. Add the measured sugar slowly and stir until no crystals remain. This prevents grainy texture and fermentation seeds. Once fully dissolved, set the pot aside and let it cool to room temperature. Hot liquid will warp plastic feeders and can injure birds. Meanwhile, wash the feeder parts in hot, soapy water and inspect for mold. Assemble them only after they are rinsed. Once cooled, use a clean funnel to pour the nectar into the feeder. Finish by hanging the filled feeder where it's shaded and visible to hummingbirds. You should replace the nectar every 3 to 5 days in warm weather and every 7 days when cool, because sugar water ferments quickly. Clean the feeder thoroughly between refills using hot water and a brush. No bleach necessary if you scrub well. If the nectar becomes cloudy, bubbly, or smells off, discard it and clean the feeder immediately. This prevents disease and keeps birds healthy, so act fast if...
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.